Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you the keyboard customization on your Samsung Galaxy device. So with Keys Cafe, your keyboard becomes a canvas. So you can change the keys color, the theme, shapes, effects, and even typing sound for a totally unique experience. So here I have a theme set, and I'll go ahead and just show you when I go ahead and tap on any of these keys, there are some animations in the background. If I have my sound on, I can go ahead and set sound as well. So let me show you how to do this. So first, go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. Now next, go ahead and scroll down and find Keys Cafe. Now in the Keys Cafe, tap on Keyboard, and here you can go ahead and choose from all these available themes. Go ahead and browse through these. If you don't like what you see, tap on the plus sign, and here you can go ahead and create your very own. Again, I've just created from my recommended ones. Let's just say I like this one here. Now next, you can go ahead and choose background, so you can have different backgrounds. I'll just have the red one. Now next, you want to go ahead and choose effects, and here you can go ahead and choose all these different effects. So there are some plain splatters. You can go ahead and choose these, all these different effects, which basically makes your keyboard alive. You can go ahead and choose the keys color as well. So when you tap on the keys, you have different colors. You can choose the colors. Next, you have the key motion, so you can have some animation on your keyboard. Now next, you can go ahead and choose sound. So you can have retro sounds. So now once that's done, you want to go ahead and press save, give it a name. And now that key one has been applied to your Samsung Galaxy device. So now when you go ahead and open up your keyboard, this is your keyboard. And this is how your style is. So this makes typing fun, comfortable, and personalized. You adjust the key size and the layout for better usability, and you can sync your keyboard's color with your overall theme as well. So there you go, guys. That is a keyboard customization on your Samsung Galaxy device.